Hi everyone, I'm Yan Chan. I want to guide you guys through what I think makes the perfect base with 3 different foundations, 3 different occasions. And they are all available at David Jones. Now I am going to moisturize my face and put a layer of lip balm on my lips. For today's moisturizer, I am going to use this Neo Bright Correcting Cream by Elle Bache. It's super hydrating and it just gives off a nice sheen sort of look onto the skin, and it wears beautifully under the foundation. So just massage it into your face. So the first foundation that I've picked for today, the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. Color I am is the Y345. I think it's the perfect foundation for special occasions. So after the moisturizer, I'm going to use some primer. This one's the Dior Skin Forever and Ever. I'm mostly going to put it around my T-zone because I feel like that's where things get a little bit shinier. So I'm gonna mix this Makeup Forever foundation, Clarins Skin Illusion, which I will speak about a little bit more later. This one is a shade slightly darker than my skin right now. I'm just gonna mix them together and just apply quite a thin layer to my face. Basically, when I mix the 2 colors together, I personally feel like it just brings a little more life into your winter skin. Then I like to get a buffer brush, get the excess foundation off your hand, start to buff out the foundation on your skin, and it basically just thins out the foundation. We want to do a little bit of concealing under the eyes and on the nose with the same foundation. I'm going to show you a little trick. So I like using like a small little eyeshadow brush almost, and just basically blend it in under your eyes. Finishing powder. We're going to apply a little layer of loose powder so we don't get shiny throughout the night. I have the Makeup Forever Starlit eye palette. These sort of browny tones, and then add in a bit of like a dark brown grayish around the corners of my eyes. Next, I am going to use this Makeup Forever Aqua Eye Pencil, and it's waterproof, which is perfect because then you know that it's gonna last you all night. A lot of the times when I'm traveling for work, as soon as I land, I often have to go straight into shooting or into meetings straight away. So this is my rescue foundation. It is the Skin Caviar Essence In Foundation. It gets my game face on in transit, no matter where I am in the world. So for this foundation, I am just going to use the Elle Bache Neo Bright Correcting Serum. This one is super light. It's the perfect moisturizer for when you're sort of on the go and you don't really have time. Kind of gives your skin a quick brighten up. This foundation is best to be pressed in. I've only just recently started using these little sponges and they're actually really perfect for traveling. Next, I like to use my hand, warm them up again and just really pat that in. So if you sort of want to achieve that sort of instant glow of a look, MAC Prep and Prime again, give it a bit of a spritz, just lightly. When I am traveling, the best thing to make yourself look alive is using a bit of lip color on the cheek and lip. The 202 today, it's lightly pinkier and it's a crayon shape, which is super easy to apply with and perfect for traveling as well. So I've just enhanced this look a little more with... So what I did was I actually blotched my lips just in the center with this. And then using my finger, I just blend it out into the edges. And to finish this look, I am just going to add a little bit of Starlit eyeshadow powder called Comet, which is this one. Fill the edges out. A quick in-transit look. So the last foundation that I've picked is a little number by Clarins Paris. This one's a Skin Illusion and it's only just recently come out. This wears better throughout the day. As this foundation is quite light, it reminds me of a tinted moisturizer almost, but with more coverage. So this is what the Clarins Skin Illusion looks like. It's actually quite beautiful and natural on the skin. It has opal powder in it, gives it that sort of radiant look to achieve that summer glow. Get on to using the Dior bronzer again, just really accentuating those cheekbones. Actually, one of my favorite sources of eyeshadow is just using bronzer, because I think it really gives you a sun-kissed sort of look. That's a cut. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Bye.